Okay, room tour, Paris, Versailles Tower, room 6951. Let's take a look. Well, let's back it up and start here. As soon as you come in the door, you have your closet with all your closet things. And there is extra up here. I don't know if it's a blanket, pillow, or both, maybe. And into the bathroom. It's so pretty. There's your hook. Beautiful countertops, beautiful lighting. I think I can turn, yeah, there we go. Really nice amenities. Back over here, you have your toilet and some extra space underneath. They have a steamer here. Yep, I remember that, instead of a regular iron. Over here is your shower. Really spacious. Got some room over here and pump amenities, and the door shuts. So we're not going to get water all over the floor. What I love about these rooms is how huge they are. Plenty of room to put your stuff away. I just love it. And I love the colors, everything. Here's your big length mirror. We're going to, you know me, we're going to go right to the outlets. We got a couple here on the right next to your big table here. You have a couple of glasses, your ice bucket, and the massive television. Let me know what size this is, probably 75 inches, something like that. Over here, you have your drawers and just some more space here. You know, no fridges, nothing like that. We got two queens. Really nice. We have some more storage here. Now here at the bed, you have two USBs and a regular plug. And then over here, you have a little work desk, a really big trash can. Most trash cans in these rooms are pretty small. Yeah, we don't do that. And then over here, got a couple of USBs and two more plugs here at the work desk. Let me creep around and see what else we have here as far as plugs, and we got a couple here. Coming back, I love the couch here. It's actually really comfortable as well as good looking. A lot of space over here on this side of the bed, and another little table here that you can move. It's kind of an odd place for a random table, so I guess you want to pull it next to the couch or as another bedside table here. Move it around, let's see. Yeah, it's heavy, but it moves. And you have another plug over here. We got a really, really beautiful view right here, the Eiffel Tower, the pool, beautiful view of the Strip, and the best view of all, at night, the fountains. So there you are. Versailles Tower, 6951.
De Montmartre à Notre-Dame, à Mont